Quick update on Ollie here. I've started putting lights in. There's 2 work lights on the rear, and I've got a couple ordered for the front. I've just found out the loader has a float position. It'll actually lock in, so that's kind of neat on something this old. Runs really good. I wonder how they packed this huge engine in this little tractor. I mean, that rocker cover just clears the gas tank. And you got the power steering pump up there, with the generator directly below that. And it does, everything works. It charges the battery. It's got the amp lights on now because it doesn't like idling. And you can the RPM. And at nighttime you can see the generator spark. But you got this big huge engine jammed in this little small tractor. I just think this is pretty cool. And we come around to the other side here, and there's no wasted space on this side especially. On this side you got your air filter, which is an oil bath, your carburetor, your starter, solenoid, manifold, and oh, look, the muffler's under here too. They did not waste any space on this thing. And then there's a battery back here. And your power steering cylinder on each side, of course. And they really jammed this big engine in here. It's a 155 cubic inch Waukesha, and it makes 44 horsepower. And they really did a good job. And back here you've got a pretty clean transmission and rock shaft. You can hear the rock shaft creaking. It seeps a little bit and it's starting to set down, but I think it takes it quite a while to go down, which is good.